Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is D and you're now tuned in to New Touch Auto. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove your door panel from your Lincoln Aviator. Let's get started. So here we are at the left front door panel. Now there are 3 screws that are attached to this door panel that is holding it from the outside. Now as I go through the video, I'll be showing you the tools that I'll be using in order to get this process done. So we're going to start here at the access panel. Now behind this panel, there's a 10mm screw that's holding this door in place. And at the bottom, there are 2 7mm screws that are holding the door in place. We're going to start at the top and we're going to pry this open. What I'll use is a plastic trim tool, and we're going to start by prying it from here. We'll pry our way to the back. We'll get this side as well. And here, there's a hook. So when you remove this, you want to shift it that way and pull it out. Underneath, we'll detach the electrical source and we'll remove the panel. Push down on these tabs, slide it out. Same thing for this one. Push down and slide it out. Now behind that panel, you'll find that screw sitting right there. We'll use a 10mm socket to remove it. Our next step will be to remove the 2 7mm screws that are sitting right at the bottom here. There's one, and then you have your second one there. Once you remove your 2 screws from the bottom, you want to begin to pry open the door. Now there's an area on this door panel that has access to where you can pull it back, because there are clips that are alongside this door panel. Point to where you can access the back side of this panel is located right here. There's an area where you can feel the door and you'll be able to pull it out without damaging anything or your fingers. And as you take it out, you want to shift your door panel up. Once you shift your door panel in the upward position, you pull back. There are 5 electrical accessories that you will have to detach from the door panel in order to remove it. Once you pull back your door panel and you disconnect the 5 electrical accessories, there's one more latch, which is the emergency door latch. Now to remove it, what you would have to do is pull it back out of the slot, slide it out, and then you take the ball out like so. Now you've successfully removed your door panel. Now here's a key note. The driver's door and the passenger front door is not the same. There's one step that's not included, and that step is this area right here. Removing this, you won't have to worry about it if you're trying to remove your passenger door. If you haven't subscribed, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. For those who have subscribed, I thank you and I appreciate it. This concludes the end of the video. Thank you for watching.